So what's in a techno-economic model? It starts with key business parameters. You're figuring out all the costs of everything that goes into making your products. That's the COGS, cost of goods sold. You're thinking about the financial side of things, the capital investment needed, how cash is spent over the next 5 years, likely, the cost of capital to you and other people, and the expected return of your investors. And then there's a lot of projections that are going in there. Thoughts about market demands, pricing, where you can do manufacturing, and escalation or inflation. That's the business side of this. In a techno-economic model, the techno part implies that you also have key technical parameters in there. In this case, we're going to talk about productivity, selectivity, byproducts and co-products. And later, as you develop a model, what is the process configuration? We're going to think about your manufacturing plant. What's its size? What makes sense early on and later on to supply the market and bring costs down? And how do you decide whether you build your own facility or go to another site as you're proving your product to the market at scale, at a co-manufacturing site, at a co-packer, contract manufacturing site, and considering third-party supply options for almost any part of your business. This model will ultimately express the business to your funders and stakeholders. It'll help you know where you are now and where you're going, and help you lead with making the right product and technical decisions. One of the things you see we do in building this model out is we try and make it easy and clear what are inputs to the model, because once you start to use it, you're going to want to do case studies, evaluate how you can change things in the future, and what are the risks to your business. As you can see in the roadmap of a company, just as you're scaling up through pilot, commercial, and launching demonstration scale definition and projects, the techno-economic model is going to be taking the same journey. It's going to start sort of at a screening level, and that may attract friends and family, angel investors, and bootstrapping. It hopefully supports you to the seed level for initial funding, and then to more serious funding in the building and production stage. Seed levels these days can be $5 to $7 million, and Series A rounds for production facilities like this may be 15 to 20 or $30 million.